Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Word resume template. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a resume template in our Word document. Then we want to insert a picture in this resume template. Click the resume template and go to the insert menu. Then click picture option. Then we choose a picture on our file format. Now we can see here we insert a picture on this resume template. Then we move the picture, click the picture, go to the format menu and click warp text option. Then click in front of text. Now we move this picture. Then we go to the layout menu or design menu to resize the picture and formatting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.